Vantis Institute is conveniently located in Newport Beach in the iconic Fashion Island area. We offer complimentary reserved parking for all our guests in the covered garage right under our office to ensure immediate, hassle-free access to our state-of-the-art medical facility. Did you know that 50% of women experience notable hair loss before the age of 60, and 85% of men experience substantial hair loss before 50, and up until now, there hasn't been an instant guaranteed hair loss solution? Well, that's where we come in. The Vantis Treatment is the perfect solution for men and women with any degree of hair loss, and each treatment plan is customised to meet your specific goals. VFR is a non-surgical alternative to hair transplant surgery that gives you instant results with no recovery and zero downtime. Take a look at Richard's results. He had a FUE and hair transplant surgery, but still did not get the results he wanted. This is after just 2 VFR sessions. Brian, at 30 years old, had tried many creams and medicines to address his hair loss with no luck. Here are his results after 1 session. Julie, 60 years old, was suffering from alopecia in temporal triangle. After 1 session, Julie was back to rocking a ponytail. All our treatments are performed by a licensed medical professional dedicated to helping you achieve your desired hair density. We offer a free consultation with our clinical director to ensure Vantis is the right fit for you. We offer financing and low payment plans to make this easy for you. During your consult, we will discuss your hairline and hair growth goals to design a custom plan to get you looking 10 to 15 years younger after just 1 session. Treatments take 2 to 5 hours. Our paramedical VFR process replicates thousands of hair follicles that have thinned or completely died off with age. Our physician-formulated pigments are organic, permanent, and will not discolour over time. Your results look natural, and best of all, they are immediate. In just 4 hours, you can achieve the appearance of thicker, fuller hair. Call now for your free consultation and discover how Vantis can help you today.